Hello friend, it's Ron from CamMastery.com, where you can go to learn how to make great videos with Camtasia. Today I have a question for you. I want to show you some assets and things like that. And the question I have for you is how valuable these things are to you. So what I want to do is be able to create more videos like these, but I want to make sure that you're interested in them first. So let's head over to the computer. So I created a few assets down here and you can see them in track 4. And I'm just going to play through them so you can see. So the first few are just some text that appear on the screen. And you can see that it's used for maybe promotions or things like that, where you want to, I don't know, put some different kind of text on the screen. And then this last one is just a lower third that paints across the screen. I actually like that. That's one of my favorites, where you do this like kind of painting thing, and then your name comes up at the bottom of the screen. So my question for you is, how valuable are these to you? Do you want, if I were to create these for you, would you want just the assets themselves, whatever those may be? Would you want to know how to create those? So more of a workshop where I'm showing you how I create these, and then you get the assets at the end? Or you say, I'm not interested in any of that. I just record my screen. I can, use Camtasia to edit, and I'm good with that. I'm fine with any of those. I just want to know, you as subscribers, what you would like from me. So I'm thinking about creating these, probably going to do some kind of workshop, and want to know about your interests. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you're interested in. If you like the assets, if you want the assets and training on how to create them, or you say assets just aren't for me, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.